Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to unbox and review the ADIDAS ADIE shoes for men which I bought from Flipkart, so let's get started. Here as you can see the label mentions the MRP and other manufacturing details. And if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to our new channel. Now speaking of the cost, I got the shoes for Rs 1124 from Flipkart at a 55% discount. Now let us check out the shoes. Here I bought the core black/dark royal color, but you can choose any one of the 4 available colors according to your liking. My first impression of the pair of shoes is quite good, as it does look good according to me. Here I got a size 9 UK for myself, and I do hope it fits me so that I don't have to go through the burden of replacing it with the correct size. Then comes the build quality. The shoe is built with a board-gripping vulcanized outsole and a clean-lined, lightweight, mesh upper. I believe as you can see here, a heel overlay adds to the shoe's durability, and the lightweight mesh and synthetic with recycled fibers which have unique performance properties, such as softness to the touch, superior moisture, and high durability. These are some of the things that the company claims.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So now let's put on the shoes, and go for a walk. And if you found this video useful and feel that your time was not wasted, then please support our work. Thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.